Hello and welcome to the Super 8 Motel by Wyndham, and this is the location you can find at the Edmonton Airport. So the good news is you can get a free shuttle to this particular hotel. However, there is a local bus that runs from not far from the hotel to the airport, which only costs about $2 Canadian. So here it is, Super 8, basically the Travelodge of North America. So, what did I make of this? As you can see, there was a Tim Hortons sat right next to the building. So if you don't like what they've got for breakfast storing their vending machines, you're covered. So, pretty standard room. Coffee machines, of course. Decaf and original. Don't expect tea because this is North America. After all, they do have a coffee culture. So even though I was booking for one person, this room cost me £55 for one night. I ended up with two double rooms, which was a bit of a surprise. And as you can see, lovely bit of artwork. Airport in the background with a 737 taking off into a lovely clear day. Little table with some chairs if you want to chill out, or alternatively if you want to sit there and do work on a laptop, you can do either one. And just having a look outside the window, I did get an airport-facing room. However, the airport is very hard to see. It's just to the right, but it's very hard to see in all due respect. Also in the room, we have a little cupboard area for hanging up clothes. And here's the bathroom. Pretty basic experience. Got a hairdryer, we've got some Dove shampoo and lotion. Towels provided, toilet roll provided, everything ticked. And of course, I've got a bath and shower down there, which, as you can see, had been used before filming, because this was done the following morning, so I'd had a shower ready. Overall, this thing was cheap, cheerful, and it ticked pretty much all the boxes. Now, I stayed in room 417 at this location, and one of the cool things about the room I had was it was right next to the lift, or the elevator, and as you can see, I only had a short walk to go. There are vending machines providing snacks and extra drinks if you wish to acquire from the hotel. They are downstairs on level 1, and it's also where you get your breakfast. I will cover that in just a moment. Wyndham also has their rewards program. They were advertising it in the elevator or lift, depending on which term you prefer to use. It was pretty basic. And here's the breakfast spread you could get. So they do offer filtered coffees, juices, teas are available, some water. And they had all sorts of just basic stuff to get you on your way. The highlight for me was the pancake machine. I thought, well, pancakes available as part of a complimentary breakfast. It would be rude not to. So I decided to order pancakes myself. I had a toaster and a microwave if you had some other bits and bobs. Muffins, bagels, bread for toasting, yogurts, fruit, cereal and porridge, or oatmeal, I think they're called, juices. This isn't going to win any awards, let's be honest. But it did the job, and it did everything I expected it to do. I even thought I'd try out the Fruit Loops, because we don't really get those in the United Kingdom. And the pancakes with the pancake syrup, yeah, it was a good setup. And they also have this complimentary little gym area you can use. I didn't use it, because I had a very late arrival, and I had a day ahead of me in Edmonton, which turned into an even longer day, thanks to Flair Airlines. But overall, if you want a cheap place to crash for one, maybe 2 nights near Edmonton Airport, I can highly vouch for this hotel. It ticked the boxes, the room was clean, and it had a free airport shuttle. I'm going to give it a solid 9 out of 15.